Good afternoon, student.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
We are fine, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start our conversation.
Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine, thank you. How about you? I am also doing well, thank you. What's your name? My name is Shanika. You tell what's your name? My name is Sonika. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. In which class do you study? I study in fifth class. In which class do you study? I study in fifth class. Where are you from? I am from Chamba district. Where are you from? I am also from Chamba district. What's your school name? My school name is Jitya Sundai. Where are you going now? I am going to Chamba. Where are you going? I am going to my grandmother home. Nice to meeting you. Nice meeting to you. Thank you.